Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. If you're planning to visit Germany, getting a Schengen visa is the first step. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process so you know exactly what to do, what documents you need, how to book an appointment, and what to expect during the interview. And here is the best part, stay until the end because I will share some powerful bonus tips that can increase your visa approval chances by up to 90%. Let us get started. Step 1. Choose the right visa type. Before applying, you need to determine the purpose of your visit. Are you going for tourism, business, medical treatment, or visiting family and friends? If you are going for tourism, you will need hotel bookings and a proper itinerary. If you are visiting family, you may need an invitation letter. If it is a business trip, a letter from the company hosting you in Germany is required. Choosing the right category is very important because the visa officer will assess your application based on your travel purpose. Step 2. Book your appointment. Once you know which visa category applies to you, the next step is to schedule an appointment at the German embassy or consulate. Appointments are free of cost and you can book them online. I will put the official link in the description box so you can book your slot without any hassle. Appointments fill up fast, so try to book as early as possible, at least 4 to 6 weeks before your planned travel date. Step 3. Fill out the visa application form. This step is very important. You must fill out the Schengen visa application online and then print it. Handwritten forms are not accepted. Make sure all the details match your documents. Any mistake, even a small one, can lead to rejection. Step 4. Gather the required documents. Now let us talk about the documents you need to submit along with your application. Prepare everything in advance to avoid last-minute stress. You will need a valid passport. It must be valid for at least 3 months after your return and should have at least 2 blank pages. 2 biometric passport-sized photos as per the Schengen visa requirements. Travel health insurance that covers at least 30,000 euros and is valid across all Schengen countries. Proof of accommodation, such as hotel booking confirmations or an invitation letter from your host in Germany, a flight reservation. You do not need to buy a flight ticket yet, just a reservation that shows your intended travel dates. Proof of financial means. This is very important. You must prove that you can afford your trip. You can submit bank statements for the last 6 months, salary slips if you are employed, or business documents if you are self-employed, a no objection certificate. If you are employed, get an NOC from your company stating that they have no problem with your leave, a travel itinerary. This should include your planned destinations, cities and activities in Germany. Make sure you organize these documents properly. Some embassies may ask for additional papers, so check their website for the latest checklist. Step 5. Attend the visa interview. On the day of your appointment, arrive early and dress neatly. Bring all your documents in an organized folder. During the interview, the visa officer will ask you questions like, what is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay in Germany? Who is financing your trip? Do you have travel insurance? What ties do you have to your home country that will ensure your return? Answer confidently and truthfully. The officer is assessing whether you are a genuine traveler. Any hesitation or unclear answers may lead to rejection. Step 6. Pay the visa fee. The visa fee for a Schengen visa is 90 euros payable in local currency. In Islamabad, fees are paid through Habib Bank Limited, Diplomatic Enclave branch, with an additional bank fee of 350 Pakistani rupees. In Karachi, fees are paid in cash at the consulate. Please note that visa fees are non-refundable even if the application is denied. Step 7. Visa processing time. After you submit your application, the processing time is usually around 2 weeks. However, during peak travel seasons, it can take longer. To avoid any issues, apply well in advance, at least 4 to 6 weeks before your trip. Step 8. Collect your passport. Once your visa is processed, you will be notified to collect your passport. If your visa is approved, check the visa sticker carefully to ensure all details are correct, such as name, dates, and number of entries. If your visa is rejected, you can appeal the decision or reapply with better documentation. Good news! You can also request the embassy to send your passport via courier, so you do not have to collect it in person. Now, as I promised at the start, here are some powerful tips to boost your approval rate. Apply early. Do not wait until the last moment. Give yourself enough time in case you need to provide additional documents. Be honest in your application. Never submit fake documents. Embassies do thorough checks, and if they find any discrepancy, you could face a ban. Show strong financial stability. If your bank balance is too low, your visa might be rejected. Try to maintain a good balance in your account before applying. Have a clear travel plan. If your itinerary is vague or does not match your documents, it could raise red flags. Prove strong ties to your home country. This could be your job, business, property, or family. This shows the embassy that you will return after your trip. So that is the complete process of applying for a German Schengen visa. Follow these steps carefully, and you will increase your chances of approval. I will leave all the important links in the description box. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share so more people can benefit. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.